Alrighty, what up YouTube? So today's another day. I think I left y'all off with either timing or I don't know. Oh, or fuel system maybe. I don't know. A little windy outside, but we're going to get stuff knocked out. Looks like Reek just rolled up. Man, it's full, late as ever. Always walking up at the latest of times. We got what, like 3 hours of light left. Shit, still in one piece. What's up, bro? Trying to get this shit knocked out. Alright guys, so Reek's here. We're gonna go ahead and try to get this fuel system. He's got the AN hose in his line, or I guess in his hand. I got about 16 feet. What, you been playing in Flower Boy? Hell yeah. Look, we went ahead and got the we were trying to figure out playing the routing for the fuel hose. So we're thinking just leave it like this. Then we ended up bolting the well, fuck the paint up, but we ended up bolting the fuel filter to this back wall here. Although I think it's backwards. Oh no, that's the right way, never mind. All right, so we're gonna see if we can make a custom line that goes from this port to my regulator, which I did end up getting mounted, and I think I did that like last night, the night before. And then we do have the hose down here for the return. All right guys, so this is me from the future. So I had to change my fuel system up just a little bit from what I showed you guys in the video. This part stayed the same. I ran the line from here, although this should be tucked up higher. This part stayed the same. It still runs next to the block, comes up into the fuel rail. But what you need to be careful of, if you get the power steering system, I would do the power steering system first. Because as you can see, I have next to no clearance between the fuel line and the power steering line. For the exit, I changed it from a 90 to a 45. Then I used another 45 here. I kind of, you know, gnarled the knuckle up a little bit, but that's all right. I've got extra fittings. I'll go ahead and redo it. I actually need to take this and curve this back between the head to go this way. Or I may end up tucking the system down here. I don't know yet. But the main reason I wanted to show you guys something was this return down here. So on this return, I showed you that one part that had a clamp on part to the metal pipe. Don't use that, it's complete trash, it's not worth it. I went through plenty of fuel leaks trying to fix this one piece right here. I decided to spend the extra 20 bucks, got more 6A in line, ran a custom line from here at the bottom of the regulator all the way under the tank. As you can see my feed hose coming up into my return. And that bottom line that I ran is right here. All I did was hose clamp it on because it's not under pressure. It's low pressure line. So just hose clamped. It's on there tight. And then here's the quick disconnect I put on. Then I just married that to a straight piece on the end of the 6AN. So yeah, that's it. Back to the past. So I'll probably lop this hose and then move the line back so I have some more room for this. And we should get going. So I'll show you guys how to make a AN line real quick. Alright guys, so when you're making AN lines, normally you would cut it and then take the fade looks like this. If I can get the damn thing off. Take that, you press it over the end of the hose, something like this, and just press it down. You take this part, put a little bit of grease or something on it, and then spin it in. But I did that earlier, so we're just going to spin this in real quick. Camera down.
He fucked up.
Oh, I'll probably need that shit in the video now.
Yeah,
actually, cool. I think if you can hold that.
Yeah, I got you.
I didn't put grease in it, so hopefully this shit don't fuck up.
Put grease in it.
Yeah, you're supposed to put like some sort of lubricant, at least like silicone.
Yeah. I don't know, put no dang grease in that shit.
Oh, I slid.
See how long that motherfucker gotta be.
And it's gone. I'm gonna go and just spin this out. Shit, if you wanna go on. It is not trying to play nice. There we go. Alright, so that's one. Now I gotta make the fitting for here. Should we just do a straight fitting here?
That's what I was thinking.
That might just be the cleanest, just a straight right off.
That's what I was thinking.
So it's
Right on. So you can put one on this side, one on this side. And you can close the bottom.
yeah, I'm gonna pull the other one off and just close this shit right up.
Alright, I got you now, baby.
And we just take this, put it right into there. So I'm about to tape this somewhere. We want to go into here, so I'll probably tape it a little.
Give it a little extra.
Alright,
So I give it to like right here.
Alright,
Just to be able to bend it and do what you want with it. It look like a nice day.
Yeah.
I pulled my ass.
Thinking here? Here should be good.
You put tape on this?
Hmm.
I'm like, where the fuck this tape from? Ain't nobody ever do that shit. No, it's not ever did when anybody ever have tape with this shit.
No, so when you cut it, these fucking strands don't bounce out at you.
Alright, I got you.
Alright, so we got that, so let's go ahead and
Slice and dice it.
I probably should be doing this
Slice and dice. Yeah. Don't do this at home, guys.
Bro, I told you, every fucking video I'm cutting something.
Yeah, fabricator.
Shit up. Oh, what the fuck happened to
Damn.
this wheel?
Damn, look at that. Bird.com.
You know this part from that last video I just shot with the
you
fucking
just-
shifter.
Cut it up.
Oh, I fucked that up.
It's fine. We can cut it up. Smoke it.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna cut that one more time. Hold on, let me tape this end up because I wasn't the brightest person. I
That's
realized.
it. Smoke it.
Yeah, I gotta clean that shit up now. Oh, I smell like the tires.
That Corona right there. That's that Corona.
That good. I'm about to recut this line. Got this shit taped out. Yeah, I'm gonna mop it like a little shorter. I shouldn't do this over that. Oh. You know what? Let me be smart about this.
Take it off.
Yeah.
Start fucking all the paint up. On the side of the curb.
You already know. Get your bitch at the curb. Start cutting her.
Oh shit.
That was much cleaner. Look at that.
Don't you do it this time, you do last time.
All right, we're gonna take.
Ooh. Or maybe the curb go up.
Oh yeah.
Should cut the spot.
Take this bitch. Do I care about the tape being in it? Of course I do. Let's see if I can twist this bitch on.
What's this?
It's almost there.
They don't got grooves in it?
Nah, this is more like a pressure fitting. That's the one that you like spin on.
flush.
Yeah, it's almost flush. Hey. I'll take this. Damn.
We
at that point. Bring them wrenches out.
What if we...
Oh fuck that one up. No, let's go and swap.
Take
Yeah,
it.
I'm gonna swap them at this point because I fucked that shit all up. Good enough.
A few scratches on that.
Yeah. Look, we ain't pressing that bad now.
Shit.
Alright, let's go take this fuel rail off right. Oh, that's how you done. Yeah, I did. No, I just need this part off. I'll take this off.
You sure that's gonna fit in there? They the same size hole?
Yeah. Bro, I spent like 6 hours on Amazon looking for this fucking size. Tried to contact the fucking... I tried to contact, who was it, K-Series or K-Motor? Whoever the fuck makes this shit. Of course they ain't answer me.
I don't know if it's like that.
Nah, I'm like...
So that one be way bigger.
Nah, you push this big boy right the fuck back in there.
And it fit.
I'll tighten that down. Tighten this one down. Yeah, need all those little O-rings on it, make sure they don't leak. Oh shit, she there now, so other hoops. Shit, I hope I made this long enough. You gonna pull that stud out of there?
I just want to see how it's gonna look when you got it in there when it's holes right here and shit.
Shit, I hope it look good now.
Shit, hey, we already
Well, shit, you know, looks don't matter as long as shit works.
Yeah.
That's what's important.
True, but you don't want shit rubbing chief and shit. Close.
No.
So, might touch it.
Money. Fucking money, bro. That's the fucking fuel system. We just gotta get the fucking,
I mean, once you push it down in there, it might get a little closer, but it's alright.
You know, I mean, it's fine.
A couple centimeters away.
Nah, I don't think this should fuck with the intake, too, where it's sitting at. Because I think I have the little angle fitting, so it should cook, like, right here.
If anything, it might just sit on top of it, but I don't think.
Well, shit, we got room to
maneuver it.
We got a little room, but should move a little bit. Fuck. Alright. Shit. Shit is almost done, bro. Hey. So, it's been a long time, guys. Things have been pretty crazy the last couple months. I don't know. But I appreciate y'all watching the video. A lot of things been going on. I picked up a new project car. That's why the Civic kind of got put on hold for a while. Life's been crazy, been working jobs, just all that stuff. But I got a lot of content recorded, so it's just right now me trying to play catch up and edit all these videos and get them out to you guys in a reasonable fashion. I guess for right now, Civic's running, as you guys may have seen. Or we're almost done. Hell, I don't know. But at this point in time, the Civic's running. You guys probably won't see it running unless you've been on my Instagram or... Yeah, no. Oh, unless you guys seen it on my Instagram or you guys have seen me in person, then you would have known that Civic's up and running. But with it running, it's brought a lot of issues. I got a video coming out, something that happened. We were driving. Well, I drove it. Chaos happened. I broke a lot of things. But I got it recording, so it's something for you guys to just see. Learn from my mistakes. Don't don't do stupid things, especially if you invest a lot into a project. You spent your, you know, your time, your money, blood, sweat, tears. Yeah. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the video. I may try to change up the recording style. So if you see one video shot one way and then another video shot differently, don't freak out too much. It's just me trying to figure out my own style, what I feel comfortable with, what I feel comfortable doing. Because as you guys know, I don't get everything done in one day. I start working after work and then stop just after the sun goes down and then come back out or come back 2 days later and finish what I was doing. So, yeah, but don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share it, help me out. Peace. Keep moving forward.